I feel wonderful. New year, new cuts. Don't you just love being in power, my old chum Cleggy?
No, Super Dave. It's not as much fun as I hoped.
Oh, come on. The thrill of the hunt. Out on the open moors, gun in hand, poor people cowering in bushes, waiting to be flushed out and shot, eh?
I've only ever been on a train from London to Brussels.
A pillow fight and a midnight feast will fix you up in a jiffy.
My mum says I don't have to play with you if I don't want to.
Tell your mummy you're in too deep now.
You just a big bully.
It'll be such a jolly jape. Schools, hospitals, councils. Let's blitz them in the name of the cuts and blame it on Labour.
But why are you being so mean?
It's time for big business to run the country.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. I'm a millionaire. Everyone I know is a millionaire. Marvellous, eh?
Well, maybe see you later after I've finished my homework.
You betcha. We'll play scrum rugger and use your testicles for goalposts.
I don't want to do that.
Ah, but you're in a coalition now. You with the Jolly Eton boys. Forever and ever and ever.
No. Mummy, save me.